U.S. ranking 6th lowest in COVID-19 mortality rate despite having the most confirmed cases in the world. The U.S. population is 330,505,774, and the latest numbers by Johns Hopkins Coronavirus Resource Center shows that 115,547, namely 0.03% of Americans, are infected with the virus, and 1,891, around 1% of them, have died. This translates to 3 out of every 10,000 individuals in the U.S. being infected with the coronavirus, and out of that population, 1 person out of every 100 dying from that disease. There is short-term hope for tackling the virus. The clinical trial on chloroquine, a malaria drug that has had promising results for curing corona patients, has been started, and the estimated study completion date is August 31st of this year.
What we know is that the drug has been successful both in vitro and in animal models, but we don't know if this drug is going to be successful in humans, and that's why we need to do this trial. MERS and SARS, yeah, so there was activity against both the SARS and MERS, different types of coronavirus.
The vaccine is expected to hit the market in around 18 months. The CDC had earlier reported that Americans 65 and older represented 31% of the cases. They accounted for 45% of hospitalizations, 53% of ICU admissions, and 80% of deaths. As of March 28, 25 states have issued shelter-in-place orders. The coronavirus has halted the wheels of U.S. economy. President Trump signed a $2 trillion stimulus package into law to help individuals and businesses. Even though the stimulus package helps, yet it's not the solution. New York is the hardest hit state in the U.S., yet New York Governor Andrew Cuomo, a Democrat, believes that the economy cannot be ignored until the end of the crisis.
You can have people go to work. You can test people and find out that they are resolved from the virus, let them go back to work. You can have younger people go back to work. You can have an economic startup strategy that is consistent with a public health strategy. It's smart, it's complicated, it's sophisticated, but that's what government is supposed to do, right?
President Trump agrees with Governor Cuomo and has predicted that the wheels of economy will start moving again by Easter. The main challenge that we face from now until a vaccine is found in about 18 months is not going to be the health or economic issues caused by this virus. It's the balance that must be found between them. Arash Kalatari, reporting from San Francisco.